Hi, I'm Alex Vorderman here at Vorderman Volkswagen, here with Anthony Covey, one of our technicians. Today we're going to show you how to change out your locking lug keys and change your tire if you're stranded on the side of the road.
Hi, I'm Anthony Covey and I am a Volkswagen technician here at Vorderman Volkswagen, and this is how we're going to change your spare tire today. Before we get started, I'd like to point out something real quick that people actually confuse these as the actual locking lug bolts. And they're actually just plastic covers that cover the lug bolts themselves. And there is a hook tool in the toolkit in the trunk to remove them first. In the trunk, you'll find the toolkit under the spare tire cover. And this is where you'll find the hook tool and the lug bolt key in your toolkit. This is the lug bolt key, and this is the hook tool to remove the caps. And here's your hook tool that you'll put into the center of the cap to remove the caps that cover the lug bolts. Okay, so once all of your lug bolt covers have been removed, you'll want to identify the locking lug bolt by looking for the lug bolt with the funny looking pattern. So once you got your key inserted and locked in, you're going to want to grab your lug wrench out of the toolkit. And then break it free. And then move on to the rest. And just remember, we're breaking them free before raising the car. Okay, and then the next step you're going to want to do is make sure your parking brake is actuated before we jack the car up. Here's the jack. We've already removed it from the toolkit. And then when you go to insert it under the car, there's a dimple in the rocker panel right here that shows where to actually set the jack at. And then the next thing you're going to do is lift the car up until your tire is off the ground. And then your spare tire is right here. Let's spin this off to remove the tire from the trunk compartment. And then go ahead and remove the rest of your lug nuts. There's also another tool in the kit to help take these off faster. Once they are broken free, pull your tire off. Take your spare, line it up, just like that. The tool that I used to remove the lug bolts faster is actually just the back side of the screwdriver in the toolkit. Then we'll put these lug bolts back on, just like this, finger tight. And then once these are all on, finger tight, you take your lug wrench, tighten them down, just a little bit tighter, in a star pattern like this. Not too tight yet, just tight enough until we lower the car back down, and then we'll go over them once more time.
Some of the key takeaways from this video: these are actually just covers over the lug bolts. You'll find this little hook key. It looks almost like a bent hanger. You just put that in there, pull straight out. The other part is your locking lug key. Some of them look a little bit different, but majority of the newer Volkswagens are going to have a lug key that looks like this. We're removing them on almost every one of our cars that we sell because a lot of customers don't like them, but if you do find yourself in a situation where you have them, you can find that in your trunk. Don't forget, you've got roadside assistance on most Volkswagens. If you just Google Volkswagen roadside assistance, that number, the 800 number, is going to come up 24 hours a day. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Give us a call if you have any questions. Thanks.